Very good morning, children. Today is Wednesday, children, as you all know, and we have first period today, science. We have first period today, science, and today we are going to revise our previous chapter, our body. Our body. Body. What is a body, children? Our body. This is our body. We have a hand, two hands, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, stomach, legs, chest. So this is our whole body. So we are going to learn today about our body. What function we can do in our body with our body, and what else we can do with our body, and how should we take care of our body. Okay, so children, as we have studied earlier also in this chapter, that about the bones and muscles. What are bones? Bones, when we touch our hand, children, here like this, so we can feel some hard part inside this. We can feel a hard part, and this is the hard part, children. You can also touch it while studying, while listening. Yes, hard part here, and head, you can feel some hard. When you touch your head, you can feel some hard part on the head, children. Okay, and when you touch your leg, you can feel some hard part. Okay, this is called a bone. This is inside our body. We cannot see this, but we can feel it. This is our bone. And through this bone only our body is structured. Through these bones only our body is structured. And upper that, this is our muscles. You can feel this. You can, when you touch your body, the soft part. Okay, everywhere in the whole body, the soft part. This is our muscles. Okay, the soft part. And on that, on the bones is the muscles, and upper that is the skin. Okay, children. So this is our body structure. Our whole body is covered with the muscles and the skin. Right, children? And very important thing, children, when we move our wrist, can you move your wrist like this? Yes. And our hand, yes, this is like this. Okay, so something is here, children. This is your elbow, something is here. This is our joint. Two bones are here in our hand. This is the one bone, and this is the another bone, and you can move your hand like this, and this is our bone, joint. Two bones are joined together. They are joined here on the wrist. Your knees, children. When you move, fold your legs, okay, there's a knee, and above that there's a cap, knee cap. That is called a knee cap, and you can easily fold your legs. So that is a joint. Joint help us to move, okay, our body. So this is, we have learned about the bones and muscles in this chapter. Okay, so we have learned about the elbow bone, the wrist bone, your elbow bone, and the knee bone. Right, children? Okay, now come to the next part, children. So the bones is a very hard part. Bones are very hard part, but the muscles are very soft. Okay, now come to the next point. Yeah, children, very important point, our posture. What is the posture? How do we stand? This is the correct posture. Shoulder, our shoulder, this is, we should always straight our shoulder, not bend like this. What happened? When we bend, when we walk like this, what happened? Our shoulder becomes bent. Okay, so when always we walk, we should straight our shoulder like this. Our shoulder should be straight. And while we are sitting, children, I'll show you how to sit. See, when we sit like this, so children, when we sit like this, our backbone, children, should be straight. Our backbone should be not like this, children. So this is the correct posture of sitting. Okay, our backbone should be straight, our shoulder should be straight. So this is the correct posture of sitting. Right, children? Okay. I'll stand now. Children, this is we should always maintain while standing and sitting. We have to always maintain these correct posture. Okay. So this will keep our body fit. Right, children? Okay. So come to the next part about our senses. What are our senses? Ah, what a lovely smell. Mama is cooking something in the kitchen. Or mama, you have put very nice fragrance. Or ma'am, you have put very nice fragrance. Oh, so how do we smell? Through our nose. Yes, we smell through our nose. Or something when we say, what a dirty smell is coming, my God, so stinking badly. So how do we smell? Through our nose. Yes. Now, what a beautiful movie. Aha, what a beautiful view. See, the sun is rising. So, through our eyes, God has given us eyes, and we are we are seeing everything through our eyes. So, this is our next sense, our sense. Okay. Oh God, oh, mosquito is biting on my hand. Oh my God, Mama, please do rubbing and all. We sometimes we do like this now. We tell Mama, please, something is biting over here. Mosquito has bite over here. Please do some scratching over here. Itching. It is itching. So how does we feel? Through our skin. Yes, through our skin only. Someone will pinch you, or Mama gives you one slap. Okay, so how does we feel? We feel through our skin. This is our third sense, our sense. Next is ears. Next is ears. Oh, such a nice music I can hear. Oh my God, what's a noise? Okay, what a noise, my God. So this is through our ears. Right, children? So the next one is tongue. Nice ice cream I had, and nice food I had. Today Mama has made very nice food. It was so delicious and tasty. I enjoyed a lot. So, and what a nice taste of ice cream or toffee. Okay, so this we get the taste through our tongue. So this is our children 5 senses through which we see, through which we hear, through which we get the taste, through which we feel. So these are our 5 senses. Right, children? So now come to the next point, children. Okay. Now we should also learn about the part of the inside our body that we cannot see. That we cannot see. Because God has made them inside. Okay, the first part is a heart. A heart. Okay, this is a heart. Very important thing. What does the heart does? The heart send the blood to all the parts of the body. A heart pump, okay, through the heart only our whole body get the blood. So blood is a very important part in the body. Everyone has a blood inside their body, and that is the color of red. Okay, our next is chest. We have a chest also here. What is the function of this chest? The chest, in the chest we have 2 lungs. In the chest we have 2 lungs. And what does the lungs do? It helps us to breathe. Breathe. सांस लेना. Okay. So lungs help us to breathe. सांस लेते हैं हम इसके through. Right, children? A third is a brain. A very important part of our body. Brain. What does the brain do? Brain, whatever we see or whatever we learn, everything is stored inside our brain. Stored inside our brain. And brain help us to think. Oh my God. or I don't know what my mom is doing is now, just now. I don't know what Papa is doing in the office just now. So we think of this. Okay, through the brain we think of this. हम सोचते हैं. Okay, and the last part is very important. This is also, children, very important. Our stomach. Whatever we eat, which it goes in. First we put inside our mouth, then we chew. Chew means chabana with the help of our teeth. Then the food go inside the food pipe. Then the food go inside the food pipe, and through the food pipe, the food goes in the stomach. Okay, so this is our stomach. Everything, whatever we eat, it goes inside the stomach. So this 4 things we have learned today. What inside our body? The first is the heart, the lungs, the brain, and the stomach. So this 4 part, what is inside the body, we have learned. Children, I think this much is enough. So okay, so you also, everyone, just go through once this chapter and revise once again. Right, children? I hope you understand and enjoyed a lot. Okay, children? So bye bye, see you.